In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Google Ads account and get a refund. Whether you've decided that online advertising isn't the right fit for you or you're simply looking to cut down on expenses, we're here to walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in the URL ads.google.com. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the sign in button. Click on that and log in with your Google account credentials. It's important to use the account associated with the Google Ads account you're intending to cancel. After signing in, you should land on the Google Ads homepage. From here, we need to head to the admin section. This is where most of your account management happens. You'll typically find the admin tab along the top bar of menus. Click on it and a drop down menu should appear. Now look for the account settings option in the menu that appears next. Clicking on account settings will direct you to a dedicated page where you can manage various aspects of your ad account. On this page there are a few options, but the one we're interested in today is account status. Once you've located and clicked on account status, you'll be taken to a page that outlines the current state of your account. This is where you can initiate the cancellation process. Carefully read through any information provided here to ensure you understand the implications of cancelling your account, such as any active campaigns or billing issues. Now take note that within the account status section, there is typically an option or button for cancelling your account. It might say something like cancel account or deactivate account. Click on this option and you might be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow any additional instructions that may appear. This can include selecting a reason for your cancellation or acknowledging the effects of closing your account. After you've confirmed your intention to cancel your Google Ads account, you might want to check on how to process a refund. Refunds typically depend on the billing cycle and any outstanding balances. For detailed information, you should refer to Google Ads policies or contact their support team directly. And there you have it, you've successfully cancelled your Google Ads account. If you have any questions or encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to Google's help resources. They offer comprehensive support that can guide you through more specific concerns or potential complications. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in managing your Google Ads experience.